Welcome everyone and thanks for stopping by. I was just going to make myself a little lunch and I decided to make a loin strip steak. And here's how we'll do it. I want to add some pepper. And salt. Maybe I'll add some Sazon, I'm sorry. A last minute desire, I guess. I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Pepper. Salt. A little more. Pretty thick steak. And Sazon complete. Waiting for my pan to heat up. It's pretty hot and ready to go. Just going to lay that on there. Gonna let that go for a few. Let's see. Gonna let that side do its thing. Let's check out what's going on. And we're going to come on out of there. And it's so tender. See how the fork goes right through? We're not there yet. Yeah. And this side, but this way. It's about there. After that side, when it bounces back, that's well done. Let's finish this up. Out of the pan, and we're going to add some butter. And you know to let it sit for a while. If you cut it too fast, all the juices are going to run out. And you want to keep that. We're going to let this sit for a few minutes. And then we're going to serve it with a side dish. Okay, I let that cool for about 10 minutes. I'm going to slice it. Let me see. Yeah, slice it this way. Trying to get a good view for you. I gotta give it a try. Ooh, sorry. That is really good. But I made some pasta with pesto sauce and a few cherry tomatoes. Well, this is gonna be lunch. Of course, I can't eat it all, but this is it. Add the pasta. Some cherry tomatoes. And a little salt too. A little pepper. And there's my lunch. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. I had a ball. I hope you did too. And don't forget to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you, pray for them. Pray for us. Then pray again. Don't stop praying. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. That's it, and that's all. Later.